Hello everyone, today we have a fun DIY project to do together. As you can see, those are bookmarks. What I will be doing is to show you how to DIY different vibes, different style of bookmarks with our PET tapes. The process is so easy. By the time of this video, you will be so excited to DIY your own. As you know, our PET tapes are all pre-cut. This is one of the newly released Black Girl Magic PET tape. Same as all our rest PET tapes, they are pre-cut with matte velvet finish. It's basically stickers on a roll that has hundreds of them. And our repeats are so long. So from here to, usually it's 90 millimeter. So it's really long. You get a lot of unique stickers. I think it's from here. So you get really long repeat with all unique stickers, and you will never worry about run out of your favorite ones because you get 5 more repeats here. And what I will be doing today is I will show you how to DIY easy steps, use those bookmarks and our endless option of PET tapes to make your own bookmarks. I am in the process of making a PET wall. As you can see, I cleared my wall and I'm ready to put more onto the shelf. We have released so many different kinds of topics in different styles of PET tapes. They are all pre-cut with matte velvet finish, and you have endless ideas to choose which one you like. If you are a bookworm, if you love holiday, butterfly, even those mystical creature, little creatures, and floral, of course. So today I will choose a few different topics and show you how to do DIY bookmark. You will be using those bookmarks I bought from Amazon. I will put the link down below there, and some tweezer, knife, and scissors. To start, they come in this type of like film. Before we start, I want to show you, I put most of my PET tapes into the sticker album. So I want to give you a quick flip through of all the PET tapes that we have available, or some of them sold out, unfortunately, but some of them still in stock. But as you can see, those are seasonal things. This one is so cute. It's called the Victorian Street, which is going to be one of the options I will be using for DIY today. Vintage butterfly, Ronron girls. As you know, I'm known for my girls. This is the midnight self-care sticker collection. This is called boho elegant, and sunflower, all kinds of flower, roses. Those are purple burgundy floral, hydrangea. Those are Hanukkah. This one has some more. This is called Dream Collage. Those sticker album is perfect for you to storage those tapes temporarily. If you are traveling, you can just put all of them in one book instead of bring multiple tapes or stickers. My blue garden, vintage sewing, blue folk art. This is the planner babe. This is a watercolor peonies. And then this is the blue chinkosori. I may pronounce wrong. This is the desert boho Morocco type of food, and this is the Mediterranean soul. It's really like give you different vibes, different cultures, different travel around the world type of thing. This is called the fairy tale houses. This is the Ukraine folk art. This is the cold weather, perfect for winter. So yeah, those are some of them. First I will be using is to use our newly released Black Girl Magic tape. I love the girls on this tape, and I love the empowering message that's being put on here. So I'll be using, one of my favorite girl is this girl. I truly like her. So before I start, I want to, as you can see, this acrylic bookmark. This is what it looks like. There's so many ways I can go, but I love those abstract brush strokes. So I'll be put them on here. And I will put another one. Kind of small. Zoom in later. As you see, it's very quick and easy to customize a beautiful bookmark on your own with our PT tape. You no longer need to buy any bookmark anymore. And I wasn't joking, right? I wasn't clickbaiting. It is true. I'll put this girl here. Love her headband, head wrap. She's very powerful. So as you can see, I have two girls here. And then for the edge, I will flip my bookmark and I will cut the edge, the extra out. And what I can do is I can continue, use this part to fill in the empty space. This part. Is there any small thing I can use? Let me see. How about the fierce? I love this fierce word here. I will put it on here. Fierce queen. So I love this pattern. You can put like a ribbon or a string. And then voila, you got a bookmark. So easy, under 5 minutes, right? And very powerful and inspiring. Queen, fierce queen. So you can use this in your book, journal, planner, or even make as a gift to your friends, right? So next one, we're gonna do something different. Next, I want to use this fun and mystical little Victorian street. I have them here. I just think they're so fun. He's so cute. I really into those type of style. Where is it? It's here. So a lot of you maybe like fantasy book or some sort of this type of vibe, Harry Potter, Tim Burton. I think it's perfect for a bookmark like this. Look at this cute little guy. He does look like Tim Burton. First, I will be doing a house. See how easy to peel this and put on here? I like this little guy. I'm gonna use him. Put him onto my bookmark. May cut him partially. I'll cut it later. And then I can with this little floral. here. I'm actually going to open this to see anything else I can use. Maybe I'm going to use this lamp. Going to have to cut the rest. And then I just need to add a little things, like this little thing on here. So cute, so adorable. Again, you can put some sort of string like this, or you can make a bigger one or something different for this very cute and mystical style. My Bookworm PT tape, I have two, volume 1 and volume 2. I'll be using the volume 2. I will show you some of them I already used. I'm going to start with the part that I did not. You can see from we have the girls, the books in the different bookstores, just book lovers essentials. So I use this one to do the Bookworm bookmark. I love this girl. I will use her as the main character. Looks like she's going to reach books. I love this one. When in doubt, go to library. There's so many good ones, right? It's hard to pick. I'm gonna put this one down here to fill in the space. And then later I will finalize the detail. I think we're missing a quote here. Like this one, get lost in a book. But I will need to move this one a little over. Okay, now we need something for the top. Put a little bookmark here. Here. Just a little tiny bit stuff for the top. So within this short amount of time, we did the Black Girl Magic. Super empowering, inspiring. And we did a Bookworm, and we did a Victorian Street. So very easy, very, very quick, and very different. I am so excited to see what kind of bookmark you're gonna create. When you post it, make sure tag me because I wanna see them. And you can check out all my PT tips. I'll put the link down below. And I'm excited to see what you pick. Thank you so much. See you next time.